Thank you, 10,000 subscribers and still counting. Wow, we really, really appreciate everyone. I mean, it's just like yesterday when we started this channel together, and from the day one that we kickstart this channel, you guys have been very supportive, watching our video, bringing out suggestions for us on the types of information that you are looking out for. I mean, we really, really appreciate all our subscribers and our viewers out there. Without you guys, we will not be here today. So we want to say thank you for everybody that have subscribed, and to those that will still subscribe watching this video. We really, really appreciate everybody once again. And yes, we have another exciting and beautiful opportunity. You can study for free in Europe, particularly in Germany. Yes, this fully funded scholarship provide a tuition fee waiver, a monthly stipend of up to 334 euro for bachelor programs and master's programs, and up to 1,200 euro for PhD program. Yes, I mean, at least to help you to cover your living expenses while you're studying in Europe. And of course, you can study in any university or any polytechnic of your choice, in any courses of your choice in Europe. There is no restrictions with respect to programs that you can study. It also provides health insurance. Yes, it provides health insurance for everybody. It provides travel grants for master's program and PhD programs that you might want to travel from Germany to another city for research purposes. It provides travel grants for master's and PhD program. And another exciting thing is this: there is no block account required. Yes, I'm sure a whole lot of you must have heard that block account is very essential to be able to get study permit or study visa to Germany. Yes, with this fully funded scholarship, there is no block account required. Once you are secured admissions and you've applied for the scholarship and you've been granted the scholarship, you just need to book an appointment to any German embassy in your country, and and then get your visa and relocate to Germany with your family. And of course, that means you can also go with your family, but of course, you will be responsible for all the financial requirement of your family. So you can travel with your family as long as you have the financial capability to move with them. So on this video, I'm going to be showing to you the details about this fully funded scholarship, the application document required, the application timeline, and everything that you need to be able to apply and study for free in Germany. So come with me, let's explore this information together. And if you're just watching our channel, or if you're just coming across our channel, this is Japa with your days. On this channel, we provide relevant and informative relocation opportunities that will not cost you to break the bank or give you financial hassle, okay? Cheap and affordable relocation opportunity, particularly in vocational programs in Europe. Those are the kind of information that we bring our way. So we will like and plead with you to subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop such an information, you will be the first person to get notification. Also give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important to us, and share it to your loved ones. Yes, so let's check this information together. So the name of the scholarship is called Heinrich Böll Foundation Student Scholarship. Heinrich Böll Foundation Student Scholarship. And as usual, you will find all the links that is going to be talked about on this video on the video description, so you can do extensive information. So I'm going to try as much as possible to be very brief about the important information that you need to take note of, the application phases that you need to take note of. I'm going to be very brief. You can do detailed research about them by looking for the link on the video description. So the German and international students from any discipline and higher education institution are invited to apply for the Scholarship Foundation, which is closely associated with the German Green Party. Candidates are sympathetic to the goal of the Green political movement. They have excellent good school grades and academic standing, and are socially and politically involved. They are tomorrow experts and leaders prepared to take responsibility and advocate the foundation green ideals in an international context: ecology and sustainability, democracy and human rights, self-determination and justice. Okay, That is the goal of the scholarship. And the target group, these are the people that this scholarship is meant for. The scholarship is geared to particularly gifted students from Germany. So if you are already in Germany or if you are abroad, so which means if you're already in Germany or in abroad, any country whatsoever, you can apply to it. Applicants from any discipline and higher education institutions are eligible for this funding. Talented students showing excellent promise for future academic and professional career. Okay, so admissions to a master's degree course or at a state or state-recognized institutions of higher education in Germany, bachelor program, master's programs, and even PhD program can apply. Now, these are the numbers of scholarship this funding always award every year. The Heinrich Böll Foundation Fund Scholarship for about 1,650 doctoral students every year. So there is a session for the bachelor master's program, and there's also a session for doctoral candidate. Okay. Now, the duration is for the funding generally covers the standard study period. So it covers up the standard study period and a renewal of up to 1 semester. Okay, and of course, if you want to check the scholarship value with respect to how much you are going to be paid if you're studying for bachelor, master's, or PhD, you can click on this link to see it. And if you want to see more information about the application procedure, you can click on this link as well, which of course I'll be showing to you shortly. Now, the application phases is there is application deadline of March 1st and September 1st. So they have different academic sessions that they normally recruit international students already in Germany or outside of Germany that they normally recruit for. So you can target either the March calendar or the September calendar. Now, let's quickly check some other essential information. Mind you, this is the application for a study scholarship. Now, the application is going to the online application portals open on January 15th of 2025 and closes by March 1st, 2025. So, which means it is from that time onward that you'll be able to see more documentations, the application form, and some other essential information that you might need. Now, the following can apply. These are the list of people that can apply. Almost everybody can apply for instance, undergraduate or master's degree or diploma or state examination studies in Germany, and their PhD programs. If you're interested in, if you already have a master, you want to go to Germany to do a PhD, you can also do that. So these are the people that can apply. I'm going to try to be international student before starting their master degree or in the main course of study for a diploma state exam in Germany, application before starting their master degree. So, I mean, one of the essential requirements is that you must have secured an admission in Germany. Look for an admission. Most of the applications or most of the public university in Germany, I mean, there's no application fee in most of the schools. So you just need to look for an English speaking course. And if you are proficient in Germany, you can look for a course that is taught in Dutch or in German, and you're good to go. So once you have a provisional admission offer, you can use it to submit your application for this scholarship. Now, as I've said, the application opens from January 15. The certificate of enrollment. So hear this. The certificate of enrollment, or at least a confirmation of a university admission, that is what it means. You must at least have a confirmation of university admission before you can apply to this funding. Okay, I'm going to try as much as possible to be very brief. I mean, the link, as I said, you can do more research about it. Please only use Adobe Acrobat Reader to fill out the application form. The application form is this. They have in German, and they also have in English version, a translated English version. So if you prefer the German one, you can go for the German one application form. If you prefer the translated version, which is in Dutch, which is in English, you can click on this link. You will be able to open it. Okay, so let's see the application phases. Yes, the application phase is about five phases, and this is the requirement for the scholarship. They have EU nationals and non-EU national. These are the things that you need to take note of with respect to documents, your certificate, your transcript. Before commencement of study, proof of enrollment must be submitted. We've talked about that. Application end by March 1st, okay? Application end by March 1st. And then courses that qualify for scholarship, all courses, all programs, BSc, Masters, PhD, all courses qualify for these fundings, okay? Degree courses are state or state-recognized universities in Germany. So it must not be a private university. It must be state-recognized universities in Germany. So, and then scholarship duration, we've talked about that, what it covers and everything like that. And we've talked about all of this. Tuition fee is waived, okay? And then selection procedure in stages, okay? Stage 1, submission of written application documents. So, which means if you have secured admissions in any state-recognized universities in Germany, the first stage that you need to do is to fill out the application form for this funding. Second stage is an interview with a liaison lecturer, usually at the place of residence of the liaison lecturer in Germany, either by telephone or by Zoom or digital social network. Okay, stage 3 is digital interview with 3 to 4 selection committee, which will now determine your viability for the funding that you are applying for. Okay, and then that is that. So we've talked about that, and the relevant deadline. You can also see some other important deadline in here. Okay, so these are the important documents. These are the important documents that you must take note of. Your personal data and CV, your motivations for applying to the Heinrich Böll Foundation, an outline of your motivation for studying your choosing subject or course at that university and of your main interest and why you are studying that course, an outline of your social commitment and political interest, etc. Okay, so those are the documents that are very essential for this application. And of course, you will still see this document on the video description. So yes, it is the same procedure. It is the same procedure for if you want to study for a bachelor program or master's programs, or if you want to go for doctoral program. It is the same procedure, the same application procedure. You just need to have at least secure a provisional offer of admission in any state-recognized university in Germany. Then once you've secured that, then you come to open the application portal. And if you have any questions, these are the frequently asked questions. You can check them out at your own spare time. And then once you are good to go and you want to start your applications, you can open the applications. As you can see here, it is, like I said, the application will be open from January 15. That is why it is saying the application deadline has passed. That is for 2024, it has passed. So from January 15, that is when the portal will be open for new candidates to apply. So which means from now on, you have all the time to look for a provisional offer of admission in any school of your choice, any state university or any state recognized university in Germany. And like I said, it takes care of all your tuition fee. It takes care of monthly stipend, health insurance, and travel grant. If you have any research purposes that you need to go to another university to do based on your course, it also provides a stipend that takes care of the travel insurance or travel grant for you to go to or to travel to any nations or any country for the research purposes, and the funding is for the entire duration of your program. So you have no excuse not to apply to this. Okay, there's no block account. Yes, that is mostly what a lot of people usually concern themselves about. There's no block account to be able to apply to this. So mark on your calendar, January 15th, this funding will be open, and then start from now onward looking for any programs or any course at any state university of your choice. So that is that about Heinrich Böll Foundation Student Scholarship, Germany. I mean, so this is a very important information that you cannot just joke about with respect. I mean, if you're very determined to relocate, or Japa, as we normally call it on this channel, if you are very determined to Japa by 2025, you must take every information and every opportunity that is shared on this channel very seriously and work towards them. And of course, if you have any questions or you need any clarifications regarding anything, you can message the Heinrich Böll Foundation Committee directly on their website, and then they'll be able to, and if it is something that you feel we might be able to answer on this channel or on this video as well, try to drop a comment on the comment section, and we'll try as much as possible to answer all your questions as we can, answer them, or as we see or have an answer to them. Okay, so this is Heinrich Böll Foundation Student Scholarship. It covers all programs, BSc, Masters, and the PhD, and it covers any courses whatsoever that you would like to study in Germany. Germany is an EU country, so which means the student residence permit that is going to be issued to you there give you access to all other European or Schengen nations. Yes, and there are many jobs in Germany, so which means if you want to stay back to work in Germany, you are good to go, and you can also move with your family. Okay, yes, that is that. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop informations and opportunities like this, you will be the first person to get notifications till we come your way next time with another exciting and beautiful informations and beautiful opportunity. Like and subscribe to the channel once again, and thank you once again, 10,000 subscribers and still counting. We appreciate everyone. Okay, bye bye for now.